Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how to fix Roblox unexpected client behavior error code 268. So what you have to do is go to your laptop or computer, whatever it is, and then tap on the search button at the bottom there, and then search for CMD, and then tap on run as administrator on the right, and then just press yes. After it's done, just type in ipconfig and then space/flush DNS and then press enter. After that, go back and type in nets winsock reset, and you can pause the video to see what is the command and then press enter. After that, what you have to do is search for ipconfig space/release and then hit enter. After it's done, the last command is ipconfig and then space/renew. Once you tap on it, this one is going to take some time to load. Once it's done, you can close it and then restart your computer or PC. After that, what you have to do is search for uninstall, and something like add or remove programs will come up. From there, whatever your Roblox is, tap on Roblox and then press uninstall, and then restart your computer again and then install Roblox from Google, and that issue will be fixed. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.